How to allow or restrict profile privacy changes in Game Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then in here, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Now scroll down to the Game Center section and tap on Profile Privacy Changes. From here, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. When asked to enter a screen time passcode, do so. And from here, we can select Don't Allow or Allow. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.